Now, good morning, friends. In the last two videos, we have done phrases, clauses, main clause, and subordinate clause. And in this video, we are going to do the types of subordinate clauses. As I have told you earlier, also that clauses, subordinate or dependent clauses, are of three types: adjective clause, noun clause, and adverb clause. So, let us first of all see an adjective clause. The definition is a clause that gives us more information about a noun. Adjective, you know, that quality that tells the quality of a noun, that qualifies a noun. So adjective clause is a clause which gives us information about a more information about a noun, and that clause is known as adjective clause. Now see here the example. The cake that she bought was delicious. Now, the sentence that is written with blue sketch pen, the cake was delicious, this is complete in itself. It is a principal clause. The cake was delicious. It has a subject, it has a finite verb, and it stands by itself, conveys a complete meaning that cake was delicious. But when we say the cake that she bought was delicious, it means that she bought. This is a dependent clause, and this dependent clause is qualifying the noun cake. Which cake? That she bought. So it tells us the quality of the cake. The cake she bought was delicious. कौन सा cake? जो वो लाई थी. Okay. Now let us see the next example. The people who live next door are good neighbors. The people are good neighbors. It is a complete sentence. It is a main clause. The people are good neighbors. But which people? Who lives the next door? So here, this clause, who lives the next door, is qualifying the quality of the people. Now next is the game which I played yesterday ended in a tie. Now here you can question, which game ended? The game we played yesterday. So it is an adjective clause. Next is the strawberries that I bought were delicious. Here you can see that the strawberries were delicious. It is a main clause. That I bought, this is telling the more information about the strawberries. कौन से strawberries? That I bought. Next is people who drive fast should be more careful. People should be more careful. ठीक है, it is a main clause. But कौन से people? Who drive fast. So who drive fast? It is telling the more, it is giving us more information about the people. So in all the above sentences, we use, आपको notice जो करना है वो ये करना है, in all the sentences we use that, who, which as relative pronouns, and it is giving additional information about the noun. Up, I am going to tell you a very easy trick how to identify an adjective clause. Listen carefully. In adjective clause, we get the answer of a question who or which. Means if in an exam you are getting a sentence and you have to identify which clause it is, you just have to use this trick. क्या करना है आपको? आपको सबसे पहले question frame करना है who या which के साथ. If you are getting the answer of a question using who or which, then that clause is a adjective clause. Now let us see. First of all, it is said the cake that she bought was delicious. Are you able to इसको क्वेश्चन बनाकर देखो. आपको who या which से क्वेश्चन बनाना है. ठीक है. The cake was delicious. Which cake? कौन सा केक? That she bought. Means ये जो clause है dependent clause, it should be the answer of your question. Now next is the people who lived next door are good neighbors. Which people are good neighbors? Who live the next door. Next is the game which I played yesterday ended in a tie. Your question can be which game? Which game? The game I played yesterday. Next is the strawberries that I bought were delicious. Your question can be which strawberries were delicious? Answer is that I bought yesterday. Next is people who drive fast should be more careful. Your question can be who should be careful? The people who drive fast. So in all the clauses we are getting the answers of the question who and which. So that clause is a adjective clause. Now let us move on to noun clause. Now noun clause always acts as a noun in a sentence. The clause that acts as a noun in a sentence is called noun clause. And how to identify the noun clause? You just have to put what after the main verb. आपको सेंटेंस के मेन वर्ब के बाद what को यूज करना है एंड क्या करना है फ्रेम द क्वेश्चन. इफ यू गेट द आंसर देन इट इज अ नाउन क्लॉज. रिमेंबर यहाँ पर आपको हु और विच से क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना है, इसके अंदर आपको व्हाट से क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना है. नाउ लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन फ्रेम कैसे करना है. सी द एग्जाम्पल. आई होप दैट द न्यूज इज ट्रू. I hope that the news is true. अब मी वर्ब कहाँ है? होप इज अ वर्ब. तो आप यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन फ्रेम कर, हमने इसके बाद क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना. आई होप what you hope that the news is true. So I hope is a main clause. That the news is true is a noun clause. Now next is she is happy to know that she has stood first. She is happy to know. She is a subject. Know is a verb. She is happy to know what? आपको main verb के बाद what लगाना है. Now if you are getting the answer, she is happy to know. What she is happy to know? That she stood first. So it is a noun clause. Next is he says that he won't do it. He says what he said? That he won't do it. So it is a noun clause. Next is I want to know where he lives. I want to know. यहाँ पर know क्या है? Verb है. Verb के बाद आपको क्या लगाना है? What? I want to know what? Where he lives. So these all are the noun clauses. दो चीजें याद रखो. Here you have to frame question using what, and in adjective clause you have to frame question using who and which. Now in the next video we are going to discuss adverb clauses.